Hello friends, we have completed 10 sum in miscellaneous exercise. Now sum number 11, LHS is equal to tan inverse under root 1 plus x minus 1 minus x by 1 plus x plus 1 minus x, and RHS will be pi by 4 minus 1 by 2 cos inverse x. This is your RHS. From here we are taking cos inverse x is equal to theta. So x is equal to cos theta, tan inverse 1 plus cos theta 1 minus cos theta by under root 1 plus cos theta plus 1 minus cos theta. Now these are your formulas. 1 plus cos 2 theta is equal to 2 cos square theta, angle half. So 1 plus cos is equal to your formula 2 cos square theta by 2. Same way, if 1 minus cos, there will be 2 sin square. So 1 plus cos 2 cos square theta by 2 and 1 minus cos 2 sin square theta by 2. 2 cos square theta by 2 plus 2 sin square theta by 2. Now taking outside of root 2 cos theta by 2 minus root 2 sin theta by 2 root 2 cos theta by 2 plus root 2 into sin theta by 2. Root 2 is common from up and down, common cancel, so cos theta by 2 minus sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2 plus sin theta by 2. Now here outside is tan inverse, so we have to convert into tan. So divide by cos theta by 2. Now cos theta by 2 will be cut 1 and sin by cos here 10. So 1 minus tan theta by 2 1 plus tan theta by 2. Now this is your formula, tan inverse x minus y by 1 plus xy is equal to 2 separate tan inverse x minus tan inverse y. Same way, this is x, this is your y. So tan inverse x minus y by 1 plus xy, tan inverse 1 minus tan inverse tan theta by 2. Now tan inverse 1 means tan pi by 4 and tan inverse tan cancel. Here tan inverse tan also cancel. Pi by 4 minus 1 by 2 into theta. Pi by 4 minus 1 by 2 into theta means cos inverse x. This is your answer. Again, we have taken cos inverse x is equal to theta, so x is equal to cos theta. 4 places x cos. Now 1 plus cos is equal to 2 cos square theta by 2 is for formula, and 1 minus cos is equal to 2 sin square theta by 2. Take root outside of root and root 2 common, cancel. Now we have to convert this in tan, so divided by cos theta by 2. So here 2 places 1 and sin by cos tan theta by 2. This is your formula. So 2 separate tan inverse 1 minus tan inverse theta by 2. Tan inverse tan cancel, so here theta by 2 and tan inverse tan cancel, pi by 4. Now put value of theta, cos inverse x, that is your RHS. Now sum number 12, LHS is 9 pi by 8 minus 9 by 4 sin inverse 1 by 3. Now your formula is sin inverse x plus cos inverse x is equal to pi by 2. Taking sin inverse right side, so cos inverse x is equal to your formula pi by 2 minus sin inverse. This formula we are using here. Now here 9 by 4 is common. So pi by 2 minus sin inverse 1 by 3. Now this is your formula. But at the place of x in sum here is 1 by 3. So pi by 2 minus sin inverse 1 by 3 is equal to cos inverse 1 by 3. Now in RHS we have to convert it into sine. So make triangle of this. Adjust sine 1 and 3. So this side opposite is root 8. Convert into sine. So sine inverse opposite root 8 by 3. 9 by 4 sine inverse root 8 means 2 root 2 by 3. Okay, 9 by 4 common. Pi by 2 minus sin inverse is your formula cos inverse x, but at the place of x according to sum 1 by 3. Cos inverse we have to convert into sin inverse by triangle. Now in sum number 13, 2 tan inverse cos x is equal to tan inverse 2 cosec x. Now this is your formula. Two tan inverse x is equal to tan inverse 2x by 1 minus x square. So 2 tan inverse x is equal to tan inverse 2x by 1 minus x square, but at the place of x here is cos x. So if we apply formula tan inverse 2x means cos x by 1 minus cos square x is equal to tan inverse 2 cosec x. Tan inverse cancel. 2 cos x by sin square x is equal to 2, and cosec means 1 by sin. Sin cancel. 2 cos x by sin x is equal to 2. So cot x is equal to 1. Tan x is equal to 1. 1 means tan pi by 4. Now this is your formula. If tan x is equal to tan alpha in 11th, x is equal to n pi plus alpha, that is your general solution. So tan will be removed. X is equal to n pi plus pi by 4. This is your general solution. In this sum we have to find value of x. Okay. 2 tan inverse x is equal to formula tan inverse 2x by 1 minus x square. So here we have applied this formula tan inverse 2x at the place of x, here cos. So 2 cos x by 1 minus cos square. Tan inverse cancel and down sin square. 1 sin cancel and 2 cancel. Cot x1 means tan x1. 1 means tan pi by 4, and then apply your formula. In sum number 14, tan inverse 1 minus x by 1 plus x is equal to 1 by 2 tan inverse x. Now this is your again subtract formula. Tan inverse x minus y by 1 plus xy is equal to tan inverse x minus tan inverse y. So tan inverse 1 minus tan inverse x is equal to 1 by 2 tan inverse x. Taking this right side, sign will be changed. Now tan inverse 1 means tan pi by 4, and here tan inverse x common. If you take tan inverse common, then 1 plus 1 by 2. Tan inverse tan cancel, pi by 4 is equal to tan inverse x into 3 by 2. 2 cut. So pi by 2 is equal to 3 tan inverse x. 3 in down, pi by 6 is equal to tan inverse x. Tan inverse left side, tan pi by 6 is equal to x. So x is equal to value of tan pi by 6, 1 by root 3. That is your answer. Again, this is your subtract formula, tan inverse x minus y by 1 plus xy, tan inverse 1 minus x by 1 plus x. 2 separate tan inverse, sine minus. 1 means tan pi by 4 and this right side. Tan inverse common, 1 plus 1 by 2 means 3 by 2. Here tan inverse tan cancel pi by 4, 2 cut in denominator. 2 cut, so here pi by 2 and 3 coming in denominator in down, so pi by 6. Tan pi by 6 value 1 by root 3. Sum number 15. Sin tan inverse x mod x less 1 is equal to, this is your sum, equal to, now we have to find this value. Sin tan inverse x, we suppose 1 in down. Now making triangle of this, opposite adjust sign x and 1. According to Pythagoras theorem, for hypotenuse we have to add square of these sides and root. So 1 plus x square in root. This is your hypotenuse. Now here it's sine, so we have to convert it into sine inverse. Sine inverse x by under root 1 plus x square. Now sine and sine inverse cancel, so x by under root 1 plus x square, that is your answer. Again, sine tan inverse x, value of this is equal to dash dash dash, that is your sum. So we have to convert tan inverse into sine to cut this. By triangle it is converted, sine inverse x by under root 1 plus x square, these two cancels, that is your answer. Sum number 16. Sine inverse 1 minus x minus 2 sine inverse x is equal to pi by 2. Taking this sine inverse to right side, minus 2 sine inverse x is equal to pi by 2 minus sine inverse 1 minus x. Now in sum number 12 we have seen sine inverse x plus cos inverse x is equal to pi by 2. So again taking sine inverse right side, so cos inverse x is equal to your formula pi by 2 minus sine inverse x. So minus 2 sine inverse x is equal to pi by 2 minus sine inverse is equal to cos inverse 1 minus x. Taking this cos inverse to left side, so cos inverse will be converted into cos minus 2 sine inverse x. Now cos inverse got to left side, so here 1 minus x. Now cos is even function, so this minus will be removed. Cos, okay, cos is even function, so this minus will be removed. 2 sine is equal to 1 minus x. Now applying formula, cos 2 theta is equal to 1 minus 2 sine square theta, angle will be half. So cos 2 theta, but here is not theta, at the place of theta here 2 sine inverse, so apply sine inverse, 1 minus 2 sine square, at the place of theta sine inverse x. Now this sine inverse cancel, because this means like this, sine inverse x and whole square, 2 power is, this is whole square, so inside sine inverse cancel, so 1 minus 2 and sine cancel, x square equal to 1 minus x. Sine inverse cancel, x and whole square means x square, 1 also cut, minus 2x square is equal to minus x. Minus x taking left side, x common, x is equal to 0 or x is equal to 1 by 2. Now here we have get two answers, so we have to check which answer is right. So checking x is equal to 0. For checking, we have to take this value, put this value into left hand side. If we get right side pi by 2, so answer is right. Otherwise we can't take this answer. So putting 0 in LHS, sine inverse 1 minus 0 minus 2 sine inverse 0. Sine inverse 1 minus 2 sine inverse 0. Sine inverse 1 means sine pi by 2 minus 0. Sine inverse 0, 0. So pi by 2. RHS. So x is equal to 0 is solution. Second, checking x is equal to 1 by 2. LHS. Sine inverse 1 minus 1 by 2 minus 2 sine inverse 1 by 2. 1 minus 1 by 2 means 1 by 2. So sine inverse 1 by 2 means sine pi by 6 minus 2 sine inverse sine pi by 6. Sine inverse sine cancel. Pi by 6 minus 2 into pi by 6 is equal to minus pi by 6, not equal to pi by 2. So we have put x is equal to y by 1 by 2 in LHS. We can't get RHS. So solution set is equal to only 0. Okay. Again, sine inverse 1 by x, right side. Now pi by 2 minus sine inverse is equal to cos inverse. So pi by 2 minus sine inverse we converted into cos inverse. Taking cos inverse left side, cos. Cos is even function, minus will be removed. Now cos 2 theta is equal to your formula 1 minus 2 sine square. So 1 minus 2 sine square at the place of theta sine inverse. Sine inverse cancel, only square, sine inverse will be cut, 2x square. 1 cancel, minus x left side, x common, we get two values. Now x is equal to 0, we have to check. So we have put x is equal to 0 left side. Putting x is equal to 0 in LHS, we get RHS. So x is equal to 0 is your solution. Okay. But putting x is equal to 1 by 2 in the LHS, we get minus pi by 6, which is not equal to pi by 2 RHS. So 1 by 2 is not your solution. So in solution set, there is only one answer, 0. Now last question of 2.1. We have to this is MCQ, A, B, C, D. These are your four. Now we have to apply subtractant formula. Formula tan inverse, again we know a formula, tan inverse x minus tan inverse y is equal to tan inverse x minus y by 1 plus xy. So tan inverse x by y minus x minus y by x plus y by 1 plus x by y into x minus y by x plus y. Now cross x into x plus y minus y into x minus y. LCM cut these two in multiply with 1. So y into x plus y plus x into x minus y. Open x square plus xy minus xy and minus minus plus y square. Xy plus y square plus x square minus xy. Xy cut, xy cut. So tan inverse x square plus y square by x square plus y square is equal to tan inverse cut 1 means tan inverse 1 means tan pi by 4. So your answer is pi by 4, option C. This is your chapter number 2 completed. In next lecture we start chapter 5, differentiation. Thank you.